Hi, my name's Edward. I'm one of the directors here at Gallant Plumbing. Today I'll be talking and taking you through PPM, Preventative Plumbing Maintenance, and why it's important for your property. Preventative Plumbing Maintenance, or PPM, is actually scheduled plumbing works which maintains the property's plumbing assets in order to extend their lifespan and also reduce the likelihood of any emergencies occurring. The purpose of PPM is to identify small issues before they actually become big, costly ones. Preventative plumbing maintenance is important as it reduces the likelihood of costly plumbing emergencies from occurring. It is a cost-effective solution for your building, as the cost of performing regular routine maintenance is far less than the cost of replacing a plumbing asset when it fails. When equipment fails, this is almost always an emergency situation which can cause great disruption to the building and the people within it. A preventative plumbing maintenance plan is a document that outlines all plumbing assets at the property and the necessary maintenance required. This plan outlines the maintenance schedule involved in each of the plumbing asset, what's involved and what's the cost and time involved. This provides you with an in-depth assessment of all plumbing assets at your property and equips you with the knowledge needed to educate other team members on the property's plumbing. Once requesting a plumbing maintenance program from either Warboys and Gallant Plumbing, our team will come out to your building and conduct an assessment of all the existing plumbing assets. Our preventative maintenance team will assess all the assets, understanding the current state of where they are, where they're at, and what is the best solution to prolong the life of each asset. Here at Gallant Plumbing and Warboys Plumbing, we use job management software called Simpro, where at the start of each month, we are notified of all the scheduled maintenance which needs to be completed at your building. This allows our team to be proactive and coordinate times with you, the client, to ensure all necessary maintenance is completed and kept up to date. With our dedicated maintenance team, you'll never have to chase maintenance works to be done on your plumbing again. The type of task completed will generally determine the documentation and reporting that you will receive, but after each maintenance task, you will receive a report on the condition of the plumbing and any further recommendations that are required. For any further information on PPM, Preventative Plumbing Maintenance, you can head to the Gallant and Warboys Plumbing website. Take the stress out of plumbing maintenance at your building and let us help you look like the expert that you are. I'm Edward Clark. Feel free to give us a call today and inquire about gaining a maintenance plumbing plan and experience the Gallant difference.